Hi, everyone. Today teach you Mercedes Benz ML central control upgrade. This is its original appearance. First of all, we disassemble the air conditioning panel. Then, remove the silver decoration frame of the CD host. Then, pull the two buckles down. Now the CD host can be taken out. There is a plug on this side. We pull it out. Now we will take out the CD host doll, unplug the power plug on the back of it. Here, twist off the two screws that fix the air outlet. Then a screwdriver is inserted into the side of the air outlet to resist the metal, shrapnel, and the air outlet can be removed. Now we screw these two screws off and remove the original car screen. Demolition has been completed. Then start the installation. Now we will connect the new power supply to the original car power plug. Then insert the other end into the CD host. Install the air conditioning key panel back. Now let's install the button R of the protocol box to on. Then connect this white plug. Then connect to the LVDS adapter cable. Then connect the other end to the protocol box. The other side of the protocol box is also connected to it. Now start to connect the new screen. This is the USB cable. It has to. This is the GPS antenna. Connect the communication serial port. Connect the screen power plug. Here we will remove the air outlet of the original car and install it on the new screen. Now we fix the new screen. Okay, now reconnect the host side plug. Install the host. Finally, we install the silver decoration frame is completed, probably installed. Before use, we also need to set the protocol. After the protocol is set successfully, you can use the steering wheel buttons of the original car to operate. The screen can also display your air conditioning information. You can listen to your favorite radio station. Support local maps or other online maps. You can make Bluetooth calls and listen to Bluetooth music. Support DSP sound adjustment. Support various Carplay Android-auto. You can call here, listen to songs, use online maps and other mobile applications. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching.